Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can create an Amazon account without phone number. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's have it. So first, open up a web browser and go to amazon.com. So from here, tap on sign in, and here tap on create account. Now fill up the form with your information, and here under mobile number or email, so you can just use your email address. After your email address, you can create a password, and after this one, you can tap on verify email. So open up the email that you registered and copy the code sent from Amazon and tap on create your Amazon account. Okay, so here you can see that we already created an Amazon account without using a phone number. So I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.